Hi, welcome to Webcruiseict Frequently Asked Questions YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at Camtasia 7 by Techsmith. It's an editing software used for basically four things. So let's quickly dive into those four things so you can see what we're talking about. Camtasia is used for recording, um, audio, videos, PowerPoint tutorials or how-tos, and also used for editing videos. So at we want to look at the interface. How does it look? Then we'll be showing you use that how to basically use that software. So just quickly looking for the interface. Okay, I found it on my system. So now you can see this is Camtasia. When you start Camtasia, this is the first thing you see: record screen, record voice narration. In other words, you can record your screen, everything you are doing on your screen, like what we are doing now. At frequently, Webcruise frequently has YouTube station. At Webcruise ICT frequently ask questions YouTube channel, like what we are doing now. Then you can also record voice narration. You can use it for voiceovers and the rest of it. You could record PowerPoint presentations, and you can also import and edit videos or audios. So with that said and done, let's look at how you can actually start using Camtasia software by Techsmith. This video is brought to you by Webcruiseict Frequently Asked Questions YouTube channel. So the first thing you need to do to start using your Camtasia software is to click on your startup menu. Then you locate Camtasia software. That's it right on our system. It's loading. So while it loads, okay, like I told you, we've already shown you the interface initially. So it's loading. The next thing you need to do is, are you recording a screen, or are you recording a screen, or you're editing a video, or you're editing PowerPoint presentation? So next thing we need to do, let's say we want to record PowerPoint presentation. So let's look at record the screen, record PowerPoint presentation. So let's do record PowerPoint presentation. So let's see how it goes. Let's do record PowerPoint presentation. So we'll see. So we've clicked on record PowerPoint presentation, and we'll wait for a while it loads. So while it's loading, we just have to wait for it. If for all your technical questions, you can find them at our YouTube channel, Webcruiseict Frequently Asked Questions YouTube channel. You can get all your body questions over there. So let's say we are doing a blank presentation. Let's do a blank new. So we need to click on new. Okay, fine. I actually have an idea of what to do. Let me see. So let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation. So we are recording a screen. Don't forget, all you need to do is type how to use Camtasia software. Camtasia software by Camtasia software by Techsmith. Brought to you by Webcruiseict. FAQ YouTube channel. All right, so that is it. So you can see it's recording our presentation. Then all you need to do is probably go to new slide, keep adding slides, keep typing, keep adding, and when you're done, all you need to do to export your video out, all you need to do is press F10. You press an F10 or you click your stop button. Press your F10 or click your stop button. So that's what we're going to do. So to stop this video now, we're going to show you how to stop that. So all we need to do is to press our F10.